so we got the truck here. It's on the ramp. I don't know why. We got the Borla exhaust. I didn't really need to put it on the ramp, but it just gives me a little bit of extra room. I'm letting the exhaust cool down for right now, because I'm guessing, that's probably still a little hot. Oh yeah, definitely still a little hot. So I believe we just have to undo that clip and then unbolt it from the cat. And then that's it. Oh, we gotta take the spare tire off too. All right, that's off right at the cat, which means we're gonna go ahead and turn it on and see what it sounds like without an exhaust. Oh, it's gonna sound hilarious. Oh. Is it still doing its thing? Yeah. Tell you what, the turbos are a lot louder without an exhaust, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so we pretty much have the whole exhaust done now, all the way back. These were an absolute pain in the ass to get on, because you have to basically take your shackle off. You don't have to take it off, you just have to back it out a little bit, which I wasn't prepared for. But then you can slip in that little hanger there. So right now we're looking for some sort of ducting tape to go on this thing. Okay, here we go. First start up with the new exhaust. You ready to hear it?
Oh, hell yeah.
That sounds really good. Here. Put this down, hold the camera. Camera is on. Alright, so we have the exhaust done, and the exhaust actually sounds pretty good. We're going to go ahead and start upgrading the electrical system now. So we're going to start off with the battery. We got this monster right here, which weighs 150 fucking pounds. It doesn't actually, but it's one of the best upgraded batteries I can find. Yeah, it's 930 cold cranking amps. Cold cranking doesn't really mean anything here in Florida. It's got, I think, 1100 cranking amps when it's warmed up. So we're going to be upgrading the battery to this guy, which the battery in here is already kaput pretty much. We're going to be upgrading the alternator to a billet alternator, I think 360 amps if I can remember right. And just for the hell of it, we're going to upgrade the starter as well. I'm thinking about going with the CarQuest Premium starter. It seems to be the best upgrade I can find. If I can find a better starter upgrade, I will. But the alternator and the starter are original to the truck. And the alternator, I need a big alternator. We're running 2 air compressors, a fuel pump, well, an auxiliary, or not an auxiliary, a transfer pump. We're going to have LED lights on it. We're going to have a sound system in here, so we're going to need a lot of power. But we're going to start off with the battery for right now. Okay, so the battery doesn't, well, it fits, but it's obviously not for the F150, but it fits. So I will definitely be doing a battery relocation, probably to the back here, because that's where all the electronics are going. But let's hear what 1,000 cranking amps sounds like. Uh-oh. Why do I click and nothing? Maybe the starter is bad. Click and absolutely nothing. I can't get it to start. Click. It won't even try.